Whether you have thick hair or thin hair, you've probably dealt with flat hair at one point of time or another. Sure, flat hair has its place in the hairstyling world. We love it for the slicked back hair look. But the majority of the time, most of us would rather have hair that looks full and voluminous. So, there are a few things that you can do to achieve that voluminous hairstyle that you desire. So, let's get right into it. First, give your hair a detox. Well, one of the main reasons for your flat hair could be the product and oil buildup in your hair and scalp that weighs your hair down and prevents your hair to have that fuller look. So you could give your hair a detox by using maybe a detoxifying shampoo and conditioner that removes the excess buildup in your hair. Next, use a volumizing shampoo and conditioner. You could use any volumizing shampoo and conditioner to increase the density of your hair and give it some more volume. But remember, do not over apply the conditioner, meaning avoid applying it on the roots of the hair, as it could loosen up your hair strands and also flatten it up. So apply the conditioner only to the hair strands and an adequate amount only. Next, reverse brush your hair. By this process of reverse brushing your hair, the hair naturally becomes voluminous, that too without application of any heat or styling tools. This is the perfect hack for you when you immediately have to run an impromptu date and you do not have the time or the money to go and fix those boring flat tresses of yours in a hair salon. Moreover, you don't even damage your hair this way. So, for knowing such tricks and hacks about your hair, subscribe to the Hair Dudes channel, and yes, don't forget to hit that like button so the next time you watch a video, you will have amazing hair. Next, try some voluminous curls. If you have medium hair length, then you might as well throw in some curls once in a while to not only get that fresh look but also make your hair look fuller and more voluminous. You do not need to use any ironing tools to style it if you don't want to damage your hair. You could add natural curls by using the sea salt spray and curl cream in conjunction and let the magic happen. Using a volumizing dry shampoo. If you have oily and greasy hair, then you might want to heavily consider a dry shampoo, since it can leave your hair looking fresh in minutes, and that too without even a wash. Plus, if you choose a volumizing dry shampoo, then it could make your hair look fuller and add that extra bounce to your hair. So, these were some methods by which you could add the natural volume to your hair and get rid of the flat and boring hair. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Hair Dudes channel to have amazing hair and get to know more about your hair health.
Subscribe.
Ah.